Okay. So now I'm inside the Google Sheet. Uh, I will open up Gemini and maybe I will ask it to create a table for me. Create a table for class attendance. Right. And okay. So it's just doing some running right now. Okay, it has created something like this for me. And of course, it depends on whether I like it or not. If I like it, I just click the insert and it's inside that. Of course, these are just some fake name, but you can see that if you run the Gemini AI right, inside Google Sheet, because Gemini belongs to Google, it actually integrate very, very well. Right? And that actually can speed up a lot of your work.